Welcome to Chaweng Beach here in Koh Samui, Thailand. I'm downtown here, Chaweng Beach, Saturday evening. This is the party center of this island here. This is the place to be if you want to go out and have some serious partying here that does not necessarily include lady bars and the usual thing that you will connect to Thailand. So we're gonna do a cruise around here and take a look what's going on here. So there's a lot of trash on the road here. Try not to step into it, and it seems like there's quite a few people around here this evening. So let's hit it here. Take a look around. So yeah, this is the main drag of Koh Samui, and there's a lot of different types of restaurants here. A couple of bars as well, and I think the nightclubs is a little bit more hidden away from here. But they're here. I think there are like 3, 4, 5 different types of nightclubs around here. Well, I guess it's like a party street. There's so many other places around Thailand and around the world here. Different bars, a lot of tourists, a couple of working girls here and there. Some nice restaurant with some delicious food. Before I came here, I had to be honest with you, I didn't know anything about Koh Samui whatsoever. I knew the name and I knew it was an island.
Hello everybody.
I knew it was an island in the Gulf of Thailand. But yeah, then you realize when you get here that it's an island with not only one place you can go and visit, but several places you can go and visit. And yeah, Chaweng Beach is one of them, and it's the place where it's most crazy, most partying going on. Besides that, there's Lamai and some other places as well that is less aggressive. Well, everything here seemed like a classic Saturday evening. A lot of people going out, getting a little bit drunk. And I don't know why, but walking around with this setup here, filming the different location here, sometimes I feel like, okay, now I'm gonna get a fist in my face or something like that. It's kind of a little bit the attitude of some people around here, some of the tourists. But we're not here to provoke any people whatsoever. But yeah, I guess we are away from the center of all the partying now. Now we are heading towards a more quiet area of this town here. And the people that come here is a little bit mixed families. Younger people, couples, families, some older generations as well. And yeah, there are lady bars around and there's prostitution going on. But it's more mixed here compared to places like Pattaya, for example, and Patong Beach in Phuket. Seems a little bit more family friendly here compared to some of the other places around here. And the beach actually is right down here as well. It's a little difficult to actually get access to the beach here. You have to go through one of the resorts, bungalows, or you have to pass bars, beach club, nightclub, restaurant, and and then there's always the question, should I buy something here or shouldn't I buy? But this is the classic tourist area with tourist restaurants, tourist bars, pizza, and the prices is a little bit higher compared to more local places here. You can actually get some good, okay Thai food around here as well for maybe 60 to 80 Thai baht. But most other places you need to expect to pay like 160 and then up 200, 250, 300 baht for a meal. But it is actually very cheap, especially compared to other European countries. I guess it's not everywhere. There's a lot of people around here. You do find some more relaxing places, and it seems like it's the lady bar. And yeah, it's Saturday night. As you can see here, there's a lot of traffic around here. Some places rather chaotic, a lot of people and a lot of traffic, and a lot of like little drunk people, so to speak, having a good time. So this is vacation land. This is tourist country, which means there's a lot of foreigners here. There are a lot of Europeans, Russians, Australians, Americans. Trying to have a good time here in this paradise, I guess you can say. So,
Chaweng Lights, Koh Samui. I don't chase the noise around me. I'm not here to sell a party. The party don't sell me. Island air, steady heart. Neon shadows at my feet. Koh Samui, wild and free. But the fire belongs to me.